Okay, Dalo, this is your second season in Partizan Belgrade. What's your expectation for next season?
I came last year. We want to win a lot of titles, and of course, I came here to work very hard with the coach and with the team, and to fight for some minutes. So we'll try to play and to work like we used to do, and we'll see after.
Okay, there are a lot of younger guys, so I suppose that you're gonna play a few more minutes. Did you talk with the coach already about that stuff, or?
Oh no, I just came 2 days ago, so I didn't have time to speak with coach. But I mean, this is new season, we cannot come and say that we're gonna play 20-25 minutes. We have to work hard on practice, and after we'll see. As coach wants, we're gonna train very hard, and we'll see after.
Do you expect another championship in Partizan in a row? Because I suppose that you heard that Partizan is only champion in the history of Serbia, so it's at 12 years. Of course, a lot of championships.
Of course, we're gonna try to keep this title. Of course, we're gonna fight with the teams. And we're still like that. Like I said before, we're going to play game by game. This is going to happen in the end of the season. So for the moment, we're on the preparation, and we'll see after.
You're extremely young, and you play a good season. Did you have any thoughts about NBA league or entering draft or something?
For the moment, I'm just here in Partizan. I feel good. And for the moment I'm in Partizan, and we'll see, like I said, game by game. It depends on the season also, but for the moment I'm in Partizan.
You had that experience to play in Serbia. What do you think about playing in a derby against Red Star?
It's a great feeling, because this is great atmosphere, fun here. Everybody expects a good game. So of course that gives you experience for the future. Of course.
Okay, thank you, Dalo, a lot. Enjoy.